Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chickpea flour at home and all the benefits of chickpea. So continue watching and find out how I make this homemade flour. To make chickpea flour, you will need dried chickpeas. So I have water in the bowl. I'm going to add the dried chickpeas and allow it to soak overnight. The next day, you will notice that the chickpeas has doubled in size and the color of the water has changed. So I'm going to rinse the chickpeas and run some fresh water over it to rinse it properly. When I'm done rinsing the chickpeas, I'll allow it to drain. Then I'll be spraying out the chickpeas on the oven tray, which I've laid parchment paper. Need to spray out the chickpeas on the oven tray. Make sure that it is flat, and you can allow it to dry using dehydrator, or you can do air drying. Chickpea is fully dry. You need to add it into a blender and blend into a fine powder. So I will cover the blender and blend. You need to blend the chickpeas into a fine powder. When I'm done blending, I will set aside and repeat the same process. When you are done blending, you will need a sieve to sieve to remove any chunks. You need to sieve the chickpeas to remove any hard bits of the chickpeas that you did not blend properly. So I'm going to set aside the chickpeas that I did not blend properly. Continue the sieving process until I'm done sieving all the blended chickpeas. Chickpea flour is ready. As for the leftover chickpea, I'm going to repeat the blending process and still sieve it again. You can check out my video on how to use chickpea flour for beauty remedies. I'll be storing the chickpea flour in airtight container. Chickpea flour is rich source of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and it is also high in protein. You can use it for beauty remedies and also for baking. Chickpea has certain properties that will help to treat acne. It will keep the pH level of your skin balanced and absorb excess oil. I hope you can see how easy it is to make chickpeas flour at home. And I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.